हरे कृष्णा। तो इस्कॉन डिज़ायर ट्री का एक आर्टिकल है भीष्म पंचक के ग्लोरीज के ऊपर, जो कि मैं पढ़ने जा रही हूँ। ये इंग्लिश में होगा, तो मैं ट्राई करूँगी कि मैं जहाँ भी ट्रांसलेशन दे सकूँ मैं दे पाऊँ, और इसमें हमारा कन्विक्शन और भी ज़्यादा दृढ़ हो जाएगा कि हमें क्यों भीष्म पंचक फॉलो करना चाहिए। ऑल्दो इसमें ये भी लिखा है कि ये ऑप्शनल है, लेकिन आगे जैसे जैसे हम पढ़ते जाते हैं हमें पता चलता है कि जस्ट बाय ऑब्जर्विंग दिस फास्ट व्हाट कैन वी गेट, राइट? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. The last 5 days of the month of Kartik are traditionally known as the Bhishma Panchak or the Vishnu Panchak. Grandfather Bhishma fasted for these 5 days, preparing to give up his life. In the Hari Bhakti Vilas, it is said that if one is capable, one should observe fasting from certain foodstuffs on the Bhishma Panchak for the pleasure of the Lord. This is optional. The fast should begin by remembering Bhishma Dev on Ekadashi day and end it on Purnima, the full moon. The Padma Purans say that one pleases the Lord and makes spiritual advancement by such austerities. So who doesn't want to be spiritually advanced? तो वृंदावन के अनुसार 1st November around 9 a.m. Ekadashi is starting. So we are our sampradaya, we only take festivals or Ekadashis which is there in the Brahma Muhurta. So since एकादशी ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में नहीं है फर्स्ट को, सो हम सेकेंड से भीष्म पंचक मान रहे हैं, लेकिन टू बी ऑन अ सेफर साइड वी कैन प्रेप आवर सेल्स फ्रॉम डे 1 ऑल्सो, फ्रॉम 1st November ऑल्सो. A 5-day worship period prescribed for the last 5 days of Kartik Damodar month, and it is known as Bhishma Panchak. Lord Krishna became very pleased on Srila Bhishma, and he agreed to give his pure love to those fortunate souls who chant, sing, hear, read, worship and fast for these 5 days of Bhishma. तो भीष्म देव को कृष्ण ने प्रॉमिस किया था कि जो भी आपका ये भीष्म पंचक विष्णु पंचक फॉलो करेगा, ऑब्जर्व करेगा और आपकी ग्लोरीज गाएगा और आप अच्छे से जप करेगा, अच्छे से साधना करेगा, उसको मैं प्योर लव दूंगा. Imagine. The last 5 days of Kartik month are known as Bhishma Panchak. Grandfather Bhishma fasted for these 5 days, preparing to give up his life. However, one observes Kartik Vrata, he should intensify it for the last 5 days. The best way to observe the Kartik Vrat is to abstain from eating grains for the whole month and to take only milk and water for the last 5 days. If one eats grains during the month, he should avoid them for the last 5 days. Also, one should only eat once a day. This is a proper procedure for strict adherence. So, कार्तिक मंथ में ये प्रिस्क्राइब किया गया है कि आप पूरे महीने ग्रेन्स ना लें, और लास्ट के जो 5 डेज़ हैं भीष्म पंचक के, उसमें सिर्फ आप मिल्क और वाटर लें. तो ये काफ़ी लोगों के लिए पॉसिबल नहीं है, क्योंकि इफ़ यू आर मैरिड गर्ल लाइक मी, दिवाली भी आती है, करवा चौथ भी आता है, एंड देयर आर सो मैनी फेस्टिविटीज़ अलॉन्ग इन दिस मंथ ऑफ कार्तिक. सो you cannot become a odd one out always, otherwise it will give a wrong impression to the general public that okay, Krishna consciousness too much. इसीलिए अगर आप पूरे महीने ग्रेन्स ले भी रहे हैं, लेकिन अगर लास्ट के 5 दिन आपने ग्रेन्स नहीं लिया और पूरी तरीके से आप एब्जॉर्ब्ड हैं कृष्ण कॉन्शियसनेस में, भीष्म कॉन्शियसनेस में, देन यू विल गेट द सेम रिजल्ट. This 5-day fast is difficult for those people who are not serious in bhakti. For those it is difficult. If someone observes this fast, he is considered to have observed all other fasts, because it is greatly meritorious and frees one from great sins. Therefore, everyone should make a great endeavor to fast on these last 5 days of Bhishma Dev. आपके जितने भी व्रत हैं साल के, वो सब पूरे हो जाते हैं अगर आप ये 5 दिन व्रत रखते हैं तो. The fast should begin by remembering Bhishma Dev on the Ekadashi day and should end on Purnima, the full moon. One should eat only vegetables or fruits and should worship Lord Gauranga Krishna. If he needs to eat, he should do so only in the evening. A woman can also observe this fast by the suggestion of a twice born, and if a widow observes this fast, she can also attain liberation and happiness. तो अभी तक जो हम पढ़ रहे थे वो दोनों के लिए ही था, लेकिन यहाँ पे और ज़्यादा एम्फसाइज़ कर दिया गया है. तो मेरी जितने भी विमेन ऑडियंस है, ये हमें भी करना है. और ट्वाइस बॉन्ड का मतलब क्या है? ट्वाइस बॉन्ड के अंडर में हमें रह कर के व्रत फॉलो करना है. इज़ योर गुरु. ट्वाइस बॉन्ड मीन्स जिसकी सेकेंड इनिशिएशन हो चुकी है. सो यू हैव टू बी you don't have to be independent, right? Because Krishna doesn't like independent souls. Krishna likes the souls who are submissive to someone, to a guru. So like for example my Guru Maharaj, मेरे गुरु महाराज कहते हैं कि ये व्रत ज़रूर से ज़रूर फॉलो करिए. सो ऑलरेडी मैं उनके अंडर में हूँ, तो वो अगर मुझे इंस्ट्रक्ट कर रहे हैं तो मुझे फॉलो करना चाहिए, बीइंग अ वुमन. Srila Suta Goswami says in the Padma Puran, Uttarakhand, this liberating fast, listen very carefully, is unknown even to the demigods. If one listens to what I have said and fasts on these 5 days, even if he had sex with his daughter, sister, mother, etc., he becomes free from that sin. Even if someone attentively listens to this narration, he also achieves happiness. I tell you the truth again and again that one should keep this fast secretively and continue performing it unceasingly. Such a person surely achieves liberation. Now you don't have to make a show out of it, that okay, I'm also doing Bhishma Panchak. It loses its potency. The moment you share your vratas, it loses its potency. That's a fact. In the month of Kartik, which is very dear to Sri Hari, one who bathes early in the morning attains the merit of bathing in all the places of pilgrimage. Anybody who offers a ghee lamp in the month of Kartika, O Brahmana, becomes free from all kinds of sins, such as killing a Brahmana, and he goes to the abode of Lord Hari, Brahmakhand. It is stated there. So there is one verse from Padma Puran, and Srila Suta Goswami is speaking that verse, and the translation goes like, if anyone fasts and observes the Kartika Vrata according to the rules and regulation, the Yamadutas, the messenger of Yamaraj, run away from him. They don't even, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो आते ही नहीं हैं, वो दूर देख के भागते हैं उस डिवोटी से. Just as an elephant runs away by seeing a lion. Wow. जय. जिस तरीके से एक हाथी भागता है एक लायन को देख करके, उसी प्रकार से यमदूत भागते हैं एक भक्त को देख करके. This dear fast of Lord Vishnu is even better than performing 100 great sacrifices that would take him to heaven, because the person who observes the Kartik Vrata goes to the spiritual world. Hari Bol. Sulabh Mathura Bhumau Prati Abdam Kartikas Tatha. It is also stated in Padma Puran that although one can easily reach Mathura, Brajamandal on this earth, and although Kartik month is easily observable, and although in the month of Kartik all the places of pilgrimage, oceans, rivers and lakes come to the Mathura area, still those human beings who are foolish and suffering in the ocean of material existence do not take advantage of it. Note, Navdeep Mandal and Kshetra Mandal Puri are non-different from Braja Mandal, and thus great acharyas like Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada have performed their Kartik Vrata in Puri and Navadip Dham. Okay, so when Mathura Mandal is being stated, we have to make a consideration that Jagannath Puri Dham and Mayapur Dham is same. It is advised that it is better to carefully follow the scriptural injunctions to advance in a spiritual life than to be lazy and think that it is not necessary. Vaishnavo Naya Mantavya Samprapte Kartike Mune Yona Yachati Modhatma Deepam Keshava Sadmani. O sage, that foolish person who does not offer a lamp in Lord Keshava's temple during Kartika is not considered a Vaishnava. The conclusion is, as Lord Brahma tells Narada in the Skanda Puran, O son Narada, the month of Kartik is very dear to Lord Keshava. If anyone acts meritoriously in this one just to please Lord Vishnu, he receives unlimited results. So, एक घी का दीप जलाने से you are getting unlimited results. This is how merciful this month of Kartik is. Hare Krishna. Reflections on Bhishma Panchak. Okay, so now this is a summary. Okay. So let's talk about Bhishma Panchak fasting now. The fasting started today on Ekadashi and will continue until the Rasa Purnima day. Some year it's a 4-day period. The fasting is broken at moonrise on the Purnima day. It is recommended to do full fast on Ekadashi and then the following 4 days fruits fasting और 5-day fruits and roots fasting. So इसमें बताया गया है कि एकादशी के दिन भीष्म पंचक का जो पहला दिन है, एकादशी के दिन आप निर्जल रहिए और उसके बाद के जो 4 दिन हैं, और कभी कभी भीष्म पंचक सिर्फ 4 दिन का होता है, तो लास्ट के जो 3 दिन हैं उसमें आप फ्रूट्स एंड रूट्स लीजिए. फ्रूट्स यानी डेट्स, और जो कि 1 सीडेड फ्रूट्स हैं, और रूट्स मतलब आलू, देन यू कैन बनानास एंड sweet potatoes like that. So I have already explained 3 levels of fasting in the last video, so I'm not going to go there. And special offering to the Lord these days. So first day हमें offer करना है lotus to the lotus feet of the Lord. Second day हमें offer करना है bilva leaves on the thighs of the Lord. Third day हमें offer करना है gandha scents itra to the navel of the Lord. Fourth day हमें offer करना है java flower, okay, to the shoulders of the Lord. Now जो java flower है इसको आप पहले से परचेज कर लीजिए, because sometimes it happens that you are not able to find it out. On the 5th day one must offer malati flower to the head Shirodesh of Lordship, okay. So whoever is your East Dev, you can go and then meditate on the lotus feet, meditate on the lotus thigh, meditate on the lotus navel, meditate on the lotus shoulder, meditate on the lotus head face. Ideally one should take bath in Ganges or other holy rivers every day and offer tarpan 3 times for Bhishma Dev by saying the following mantra. Now these tarpana mantras is recommended only for the men, because women we do not do that. Yes, and that's all for this video, and I'm going also to share with you the Bhishma Stuti. Wait, I need the light now. We need the Bhishma Stuti so that we can chant, and in the last video मैंने आप लोग का रूटीन ही बना दिया है. So उस रूटीन से हम सब एक ही साथ भीष्म पंचक को फॉलो कर सकते हैं. आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स प्लीज़ चेक करिएगा, और डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स इस वीडियो को भी चेक करिएगा, बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू पोस्ट द भीष्म स्तुति इन दिस वीडियो. हरे कृष्णा.